If you want to delete a folder using the Google Drive node in N8n, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a simple but very useful workflow action when you want to clean up old folders, organize files automatically, or remove folders after a process is finished. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more N8n tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. This is the workflow where you want to add the folder deletion step, so make sure you're in the correct project before continuing. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel on the right side and search for Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive node to add it to your workflow canvas. After the node appears, open its action settings and choose Delete Folder. This tells N8n that you want this node to remove a folder from Google Drive rather than upload, move, or list files. Next, configure what to delete. This is the most important part because you need to make sure the node is pointing to the exact folder you want removed. Depending on how your workflow is set up, you may need to select the folder by ID, map it from a previous node, or provide the folder reference manually. Double check the target before running the workflow because once the node executes, the folder will be deleted from Google Drive. After that, save your workflow and test it carefully to confirm it's deleting the correct folder. If everything is set up properly, N8n will run the Google Drive node and remove that folder automatically. And that's it. You now know how to delete a folder using the Google Drive node in N8n. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick automation guides.